let us see first of all what is this green debt security, right? So these are basically fixed income instruments which are used to promote or to help or to finance any environmentally sustainable projects, and they are basically regulated by SEBI. Okay, so here green bonds that are specifically financing eco-friendly projects, they come under this green debt security. Okay, so there are many types of these bonds which are basically for environment friendly projects. Okay, now what you should focus on here is regulated by SEBI, not by any other entity. Second, the funds that you are raising in these bonds, they have to be exclusively used only for that project for which you have raised that fund. So if you're raising funds for a certain project, you should use that fund only for that project. So exclusively used. Okay, so that extreme statement is there. You need to focus on it. Okay. The third one is SEBI has laid down certain guidelines so that it can track how the entity is using these funds. And at the same time, third party verification is also allowed so that there is no greenwashing. Okay, so SEBI mandates strict disclosures during pre-issuance certification and post-issuance impact also. That is, once the bond has been released, then also how are you using that fund? That also has to be tracked by, that also has to be tracked and has to be given to SEBI. Okay, so these are green debt securities. Now, let us see what are these bonds. First of all is the green bond. It comes under this green debt security. Okay, so these bonds are specifically used to fund eco-friendly projects. Okay, anything related to renewable energy, okay, anything related to mitigation, adaptation, all of them will come under green bonds. Okay, the second one is blue bonds. Any project which specifically focuses on water management or ocean based project. Okay, similarly there is yellow bond focusing on solar energy project, transition bond which is focusing on any or helping any company transition towards a sustainable operation. Okay, now what is important from your current affairs is these two, that is social bond, sustainability bond, as well as sustainability linked bond. These three bonds are important for your prelims this year. Okay, so first of all, social bond, what does it mean? It is any such project which will increase the social fabric of the society. Okay, so any such project, for example, related to healthcare, education, employment, housing, anything which will increase the societal fabric. Okay, anything which is social initiative, those projects will come under social bonds. Okay, now the second one is sustainability bond. Now, sustainability bond is basically a mix of social bond as well as green bond. Okay, so a project can be something sustainable, environment friendly, but at the same time it can also lead to employment generation. Okay, so that will come under sustainability bond. Okay, so these two are important from your prelims standpoint.